Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I am Bishnu Mohanta and you are watching my channel. In today's video, we are going to unbox and see what are the specifications of Google Home Nest Mini. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Before I go further in the video, I have a small request to Flipkart company that please give a request button or anything like that so that I can pick. I don't want open box delivery at all. Okay, like some people needs open box delivery, but in my case I don't prefer open box delivery. Why? Because I have faith in the company and I haven't received any damaged or wrong product okay, in like 2 or 3 years. So I have fully faith in Flipkart company. But the problem begins when you go to the gullies and in the roads to pick up your parcel, and there he opens your order in front of everybody else, and everybody else will see your product. And the public always like are interested to watch like what you have ordered. Okay, it's a humble request to Flipkart company, please give us a option so that we can pick if we want open box delivery or not. So that's it. Now let's go to the video and unbox this product, which is already unboxed because delivery guy has already opened it, so that I can assured like I have received the same item which I picked for. Okay, now let's jump into the video and let's unbox in my table.
आइए देखते हैं मजा आएगा
Guys, here our box. As I said before, the delivery guy has opened it already. Let me just take it out. Here you can see the box of Google Home Mini. There is nothing else in this package. Let's throw it out. So here it is, guys. Google Home Mini. The generation is second one, if you can see it. So this is second generation, and at the sides there is mentioned turn up the music. You can see at the side there is mentioned turn up the music. It's a mini speaker with a big sound. You can also control like TV, AC, and your Wi-Fi enabled lights. Okay, you can also call, like you can do everything that you do in your normal phone. And here you just have to say okay Google, and then you can say play some music, then music will be played by your YouTube music. Okay, you can schedule any event in your calendar. Okay, then there are tons of partners with the Google Home Mini like Netflix, Philips bulbs, okay, and then Ghana.com and YouTube music. And at the back, here it is how it looks like when you place it on a table. So there is nothing else much more, and here is the authenticity label, made in China, if you can see. And the price is around 4,500 rupees, if you can see. Here it is. The price here mentioned is 4,500 rupees, but I got this product on around 3,500 rupees. Let's just open it. And here is our speaker. Very nice material it has used. Material is something like cloth like material. Looks pretty good. Okay, it's like this big. It can fit on my palm. Let's just keep aside and look what accessories we got in this product. Let's open here. We get a adapter. The pin is this is the pin for charging, and you got this adapter. Looks pretty cool. And what else you get in the box? Let's see.
Hey bro,
You get some user manual,
oh my god,
and I think The warranty is inside it. Let's just see. Here is quick start guide. First you have to need Google Home in your phone. Okay, so you have to download it from your App Store or Play Store. And then these are the things which you have to do. Being a part of your home means respecting your privacy. It has a privacy button like here. If you need privacy, okay, so then you can just do that, and it will not listen your voice at all. Okay, now what you have to do is take this cable like this.
2,000 years later.
One million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
Plug it to your socket.
LIC, जिंदगी के साथ भी, जिंदगी के बाद भी।
I have plugged in, and then you have to switch on it. Then just put this thing here, okay, like this, and now the light will be blink. It is showing the volume. Now it will automatically say what to do now.
Hi, Namaste. To get started, download the Google Home app. शुरू करने के लिए Google Home app डाउनलोड करें.
So now we have to download Google Home mini app. In other step, you have to download the Google Home app and then open the app and choose where you want to place the speaker. Go to setup mode, choose where you want to place the speaker. At the family room I am choosing. Then that's it, done. Now my speaker is set up and now I can do whatever I want to do. Like, okay Google, what's the time now?
It's 2:13 p.m. And by the way, if you're ever feeling curious about other ways I can help, just ask, what can you do?
Hey Google, play some music.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Playing on YouTube Music.
Let's So guys, here are the volume buttons. Like here is the volume plus button and here is the volume low button. Okay, these are the touch sensor buttons. And also if you want privacy, you can shut up the speaker by clicking this button here like this.
The mic's off.
Okay, the mic will be off, and when you need it on,
The microphone is
swipe
back
it.
on.
Hey Google, which is better, Amazon Alexa or you?
I like Alexa's blue light. Her voice is nice too.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
Okay. Okay. Hey Google,
Clean, clean, clean. Man,
Do
you
some
capping. Ooh, clean, clean, clean,
Sorry,
clean, clean.
I didn't
Ooh, you
understand.
capping.
But I
Drip,
found
splash,
something else.
water,
Do
drip,
you want to
splash,
know where is
splash,
drip
drip,
used?
water, splash, splash,
Yeah.
drip, water.
I might be able to help you if you finish your sentence.
and also you can like call your loved ones by this speaker. Okay, like your mom, dad and brother. Just say, okay Google, call Pinku.
Is that Pinku Lava,
What?
Pinku, or Pinku Kumar Mahanta?
Bro, what are
Pinku
you
Kumar
talking about?
Mohanta.
making an audio call to Pinku Kumar Mohanta.
And here, your call is going on. Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, what's the weather outside?
Right now in New Delhi it's 24 degrees with smoke. Today, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a forecast high of 25 and a low of 13.
Hey Google, which is your favorite subject?
The sciences have always interested me.
Oh, mine was history. Okay, let's move on. So, okay Google, कैसे हो? Let's see if it's answer in Hindi or not.
Hi, it's 2:16 p.m. Right now in Gurgaon it's 24 degrees with smoke. Today, it'll be mostly cloudy, with a forecast high of 25 and a low of 12. Here's a joke to start your morning. This
Okay.
one is an acquired taste. The right eye said to the left eye, between you and me, something smells. Have a nice day. Here's the latest news. From NDTV at 1 p.m.
Man,
today.
stop. Hey Google, stop. Stop it, man. So guys, this was it, and here's the review. If you want like speaker for your elder ones, and you know, you want some cool home, then go for it. If you need bigger bass and bigger bass, good quality music, then go for Amazon Echo. Okay.
अच्छा ठीक है.
The question begins like which people should buy Google Home Mini. So I would say the people who have family.
I don't have friends. I got family. No matter where you are, whether it's a quarter mile away or halfway across the world, you'll always be family.
And the family doesn't speak English and they speak native languages like Hindi, Tamil, Malayali, Urdu. Okay, so etc. They can buy this product. This product is capable in speaking of multiple languages and also in native languages. So I would prefer them to buy this product. If you have no problem with speaking in English, then go for Alexa. Okay,
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Alexa has a better immersed sound in it, and it has a ring light, blue ring light, which is very good to see. Okay, it's when you say Alexa na, so then the blue lights automatically appears, and that makes our day. Okay, that looks so pretty and beautiful.
So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow.
Guys, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Please subscribe kijiye. Okay, please guys subscribe to my channel so that you can get like this videos. Okay, and I will upload more tech videos soon, so stay tuned. I am trying to control like unboxing videos, and I want to upload more tech videos, so I am like researching it, and I will surely get back to you soon. So guys, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.
जिंदगी छोटी है, लाइफ लिटिल इज. जिंदगी छोटी है. गेट आउट फ्रॉम हाउस, निकले घरों से और घूमे ये जगह. मनी ऑल सम नॉट इज. पैसा सब कुछ नहीं है.